action here.
Action. Get in there.
Get in.
"30 seconds. Come on."
What's the matter, Jack?
That's like 5 seconds max.
Do it again. Do it again.
Yeah, you got.
Do it again.
You got to start at the top, but you got to really run in and dive,
Yeah,
though.
run in head first. Go, blah. You're in now.
That's bragging rights. You can go back to school tomorrow and say you went swimming. Action. All the way this time. There it is.
You're the man, Jackie. Toughest 7-year-old I ever seen. Alright? What's your Call of Duty name?
Huh?
What's your Call of Duty name?
I don't know.
How do you feel right now?
Good.
Yeah? It's pretty warm, eh?
No.
No.